As you know, school is coming and having a Chromebook is necessary at some schools. So you just search on the internet to buy a Chromebook. All things sounds good until you see the price. That's a lot of money for a toy. In this video, I will show you a cool trick that help you cut back on the spending. Let's go! First thing first, we need to know more about Chromebooks. Chromebooks use ChromeOS. This is an OS that only approved devices can have it. As an example, the devices that has this Chrome icon on it, they are approved ones and you can only install this ChromeOS on them. So it looks like the iOS stuff. Okay, you cannot install it anywhere else. It's because the security items of the Google. Google support these devices between 9 to 10 years since they met, and after that you won't get any updates. It looks like the old Android devices. Let me show you. Look like this stuff, this stuff. Okay, these are old Android devices that won't get any updates. Okay, it's Google policy that won't update them. The first reason is the hardware of these devices become pretty low after 10 years, and the other thing is okay, they need to make money to do other things. Okay, they need money. All of us needs money. Okay, up to now we know that these little guys use ChromeOS, but after that time passed, after that 10-year passed, what should we do? We should put them in trash? No, we'll think about this thing and publish ChromiumOS. This OS is exactly look like the ChromeOS, and the difference between them is you can install this OS anywhere else. You can install it on old laptop, you can install it on old PC, even old outdated Chromebooks. Okay, this is a cool thing. So the trick is, if you have any old laptop at home, just install this ChromiumOS and give it to your kid. Okay, easy. Without spending anything, you give them a Chromebook. Option 2 is buying an old outdated Chromebooks like this. I bought this little guy $30 and installed ChromiumOS and done. The only problem that I have with this device is the storage, so I use an SD card. Okay, it receives an SD card in here. You just put an SD card and done. The storage problem fixed, because this one has only 16 GB of storage. The whole storage is 16 GB, and that's a disaster. If you want to buy an old Chromebook, the first thing that you need to check is the storage, RAM storage of that. You need to buy a Chromebook with at least 4 GB of RAM storage. I created a full guide about how to use Chromebooks, and it will appear at the end screen of this video, but right now it's time to download ChromiumOS and install it on an old PC or a laptop. Let's talk more about this ChromiumOS. The first difference between ChromeOS and ChromiumOS is you cannot access to Play Store with using ChromiumOS. Okay, this is a big difference that they have. And if you want to download this ChromiumOS, it's not going to look like that. You search on Google, download ChromiumOS ISO, and open this website and done. It's not going to look like that. This is an open source project and other teams work on it. Google just published the source, and after that other teams like FydeOS and this guy, this one is over. Okay, is not going to support it. Okay, this project is no longer maintained, so I won't talk more about it. And let's jump into FydeOS. FydeOS is the ChromiumOS. Okay, they just changed some parts of it and FydeOS appeared, FydeOS created. So you need to download the ISO file of it and then install it on your device. You will receive an ISO file, then you need to put it on your flash disk and boom, you can easily install like how you install Windows. But before buying any secondhand Chromebooks or laptops, you need to watch the video that will appear at the end of the screen. On that video, I told you everything that you need to know before buying any stuff and after buying any stuff. So let's see how we can download and install this FydeOS. I personally download. In this app, you'll see FydeOS for PC, FydeOS for VMware. We don't like having FydeOS for VMware right now because it's virtual machine. I need to have it for a PC. I click on it, and in here you'll see a bunch of links. You'll see the year that the old Chromebooks made between 2011 up to 2014. You need to download this one. Between 2015 up to 2019, you need to download this one. You just need to know process model of your device, then download it. For myself, I download this one. I click on it and boom, download start. Okay, official download. I click on it and wait until the download finish. After the download of FydeOS finish, you need to have two other things. First thing is having a flash disk with at least 8 GB of free space, and the other thing is Ventoy. This is software that can help you to boot this bin file that you extract from the zip file. So let's start downloading and installing this Ventoy one. I just simply search Ventoy on Google and open the first website. This is the first website, okay? And if you scroll a bit, you will see this download. Okay, this is the real download. Don't click on the download ads that are going to appear in here, okay? Some of them are ads. The way that I download Ventoy is easy peasy. I just click in here. I will see the latest release, and in here, press on download Windows zip file. It's 15 megabytes. Extract to Ventoy. Cool. I open it. After you extract it, you'll see Ventoy to disk.exe. I double click on it. As you can see, it detects the flash disk that I plugged it in. And in here, if I press on plus, all the files that I have on the flash disk will be deleted. I press on install. It says that all of the things will last. Continue. I said hell yes. Double check again yes. Congrats, Ventoy successfully installed on this device. After installation finished, you will see Ventoy version that is installed on your device. Our Ventoy flash disk successfully installed, and I need to copy this one into Ventoy. After copying process finished, I need to eject that one and start installing FydeOS on the Chromebook.